Hi folks, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be going over the all-new Forest River Aurora. Now the unit behind me is the 18 RB floor plan. I'm going to show you a ton of features that are actually unavailable at units of this size and price point. Now the first thing I want to show you guys today here is these solid steps. Now typically on a unit of this size and price point you're going to have those cheap fold down steps. They always get dirty. They just either don't work or they get rusty and ugly. So these are awesome. They just give you a solid footing for walking up inside that unit. And usually you don't find that until you get into higher end units or even higher end fifth wheels. So that's an amazing feature. Now before we delve too deep into the unit, I want to tell you about 3 construction features that set this unit apart from any other small or 18-foot travel trailer out there. Now first of all, this has a 78-inch interior height, which is unheard of at this size and price point. In other units, sometimes I'm knocking my head, even though I'm not that tall. But in this unit, that won't happen. If you're 6 foot, you want to get in the shower and actually be able to take a shower, it's just not going to happen in this unit. This has a 78-inch interior height. Secondly, this has a plywood floor. Now, typically in something at this price point, you're going to see a particle board floor, or they just won't talk about their floor because it's not solid construction. So this has a plywood floor, 5/8-inch plywood, tongue and groove, screw and glue down. The other thing this has is an enclosed underbelly, which is unheard of at this price point. So all your tanks, everything underneath here is completely enclosed from all the elements in the water and rocks and dirt that would get up in there. So that's a huge feature. Now, I want to point out the awning. If you can just step back there and get a shot of this massive awning. This is an electric awning on an 18-foot travel trailer at this super low price. That's unheard of. You have an LED strip up there. You also have this new 12-volt electric system here, and you can attach different attachments to it. So if you look here, we have a kind of like a spotlight. There's floodlights, there's Bluetooth speakers, there's all sorts of different attachments you can put on this 12-volt electric track here. Absolutely incredible feature, exclusive right now to this Forest River Aurora. So coming up to the front of this unit actually has a power tongue jack. Again, that's something that's usually not seen at this size and price point. Usually you have a manual jack. Forest River Aurora says, no, we want to give you a power tongue jack, just make things easier for you when you're camping. So standard at this super low price point. Now, when we go out of the back here, there's several features that your mind is probably going to be blown, the same way mine was when I first saw this unit, because these features are just unavailable at this size and price point in other units. First thing here is the outdoor shower. So you have actually, get a shot of this real quick. You have hot and cold water. You have a little holder here. This is awesome because you can clean your feet off before you go inside when you're at the beach, maybe clean your grandkids' feet off, maybe your pet if you want to give them a shower outside or something. So awesome feature. Just keep the dirty stuff outside. I love that. The other thing this has, and we're going to go to the back here to look at it, is a black tank flush. Now, if you're someone who's been RVing, you know what this is, but if you're new to RVing, the black tank flush lets you flush out your black tank, which is your sewer water, when you dump it. So you actually connect your hose right to here, and it sprays that tank out and helps get all those nasty smells out. So when you put this unit away for a couple months and bring it back out of storage, it doesn't smell like a sewer inside. Now usually you don't have that feature on this size and price point unit, and so you have to actually stick your hose inside the toilet to clean it out. Absolutely disgusting, and nobody wants to be doing that. While we're back here, this unit has actually, at this price, a bumper. Now the reason why I mention that is because a lot of other units don't include a bumper. It's just one way they can save money. So they give you a bumper here, which is good because if you back up to something, you're not denting your sidewall there, you're not denting the back of this unit. So a safety feature, and also it comes with the full-size spare tire. It's a great, amazing feature at this price point. This unit also has a backup camera prep. So if you're someone who's maybe new to RVing, you've never towed an RV before, we can throw a backup camera on there for you, and it makes it super easy to back up at night. Actually has a night vision, has several different options there, but it's a really cool feature. Now, before I go inside, one more exclusive feature to the Forest River Aurora is the peekapoo. Now, this thing sounds silly, but it's super useful. So when you're dumping that black tank, you actually connect this right here, and you can see when, I'm actually going to show you this, you can see when your black tank is completely flushed out, because obviously your water there will turn clear. So when you're using that black tank flush back there, have your hose in there, you can see the water flushing out here and know when it's clean. Exclusive to the Forest River Aurora. I don't think I'd buy an RV without this. Absolutely amazing. Before we head inside, there's a couple features I have to show you here that I definitely don't want to miss. First of all, you have a really expansive storage area. If you can get a shot of that real quick. Great exterior storage on this unit. And you have a TV bracket here, so you only need to bring one TV, the TV that comes with it. You can bring it out and stick it out here, so you don't need to go and buy another TV. It's going to save you guys money. And then down here, if you notice something that's different about this unit from the ones you've looked at, it's those rims. So you actually have aluminum rims on this one. They look high-end. They're a great feature to have. They cost more money. Typically what you're going to have on a unit of this size and price point is those steel rims. They're the white or black ones. They always rust out and just look ugly. So this one looks nice, and you have nitrogen-filled tires. So it's going to give you a much better experience. It's going to last longer. You're going to have a higher trade-in value or resale value with this unit because you're not going to have rusted out rims in 5 years. So it's a great feature. And then how often have you guys looked for a power outlet on this side? I do it all the time, and a lot of units don't have a power outlet here. So this has a power outlet. You have the TB cable connection there for your exterior TV. Let's head inside. I want to show you some amazing features. You have a 10 cubic foot Furrion fridge in this unit. I have never seen a fridge this big in a unit at this size. I challenge you to go look for another unit with a fridge this big. It doesn't exist. That's like a unicorn. Well, this is the unicorn, folks. This fridge is massive. You can stick several frozen pizzas up there. You could stick a whole gallon of milk. You don't have to bring that quarter gallon like you do with other units. Most of the fridges are usually that big, or they're just right down here because they have to fit underneath the countertop. This fridge is massive. Now, get a shot of this countertop here. So this is actually a pressed foil countertop. It doesn't have that T-molding. And I hope you can get a good shot of this. Basically what I'm saying, there's no lines in here. So you're not going to have the water penetration that causes it to bubble up and look bad and need to be replaced. So the high-end countertops here, it's solid surface countertops. Got a great size sink there. You actually have, look at these fixtures. These are high-end fixtures. This is like what you'd find in a brand new house. High-end fixtures, look at this. Again, high-end fixtures, it's not plastic. Folks are using real wood screws when they're screwing all this cabinetry together. They're not using staples like other brands are using. They're using wood screws to screw the wood cabinets together, not staples to staple the particle board together like you find in other units. High end, this is all solid wood cabinetry. Amazing, exclusive. Look up top here. This is actually a 12 volt fantastic fan. And you can reverse it. It's a two-way fan. So you can bring the air in and use it like a ceiling fan, or you can jet that hot air out. So that's a great feature. Look at this queen bed. You have a walk-around queen bed. Now, I tried to just think about every other 18-foot travel trailer I've been in, and I was kind of racking my brain to think of another 18-footer with this walk-around queen bed with as much room as this has. Usually, you have that bed that goes this way with no storage, so it eliminates that storage on either side, and then you have to crawl over each other when you want to get out of bed. So someone's going to get the short end of the stick and have to be the one that has to crawl over the person or be crawled over. I don't know what's worse, but that's amazing with this unit. Walk around queen bed in an 18-foot travel trailer. That's unheard of, folks. Look at the amount of storage you have in here too. Again, plywood, so you can kind of see a testament to the beautiful, amazing construction that Forest River Aurora gives you. But look how big this storage area is. Tons of room to bring all of your camping supplies, your folding chairs, that grill you want to bring with you, your fishing poles, whatever you want to bring. Tons of room here. And then for your clothes, you have a wardrobe here, storage down here. It goes all the way back there, all the way back down there. You can stick your shoes down there, just unlimited storage here on either side. They actually give you power outlets too on either side of the bed, so you can plug your phone in, maybe your CPAP machine. I can't tell you how many small units I've been in that don't have little things like that because they try to cut corners to save costs. This Forest River Aurora loads up every single feature they can possibly think of to make you happy. These units have been selling like crazy, selling like hotcakes. It's the hottest unit on the market today, period, because all these things I'm talking about are standard. Get a shot of this AC. Talking about standard features, this is a 15,000 BTU AC. You don't find that, folks, on this size unit anywhere. You don't have to pay to add a drop-in AC. You know, you could get another 18-foot travel trailer with the 8,000 BTU side-mounted AC and then turn around and have to put a roof-mounted one because it's not going to cool you down enough. With this one, you don't have to think about that. Forest River is giving you every feature that you need to be happy camping standard at this super low price. You don't have to go and upgrade your power tongue jack. You don't have to go and upgrade your AC. You don't have to go and upgrade your steps, upgrade your awning to an electric awning. Everything comes standard. Now moving on, you have a microwave down here, so you can stick. It's a good size microwave too. Stick your food in there. You have a 2-burner cooktop here. You have a light here, and you actually have a fan that vents outside. So when you're cooking in here, that's going to let you vent out all your smells. A lot of times they actually don't put a vent there. They just put this here either without a fan or don't vent it. This brand actually is venting it outside, so there's a little vent outside that you can see. Really, really great feature. Now this unit's great for couples or someone with maybe a small kid or a couple small kids. This turns into a bed here. You actually have storage down here as well. Talking about storage, it's just everywhere. They don't waste any space. They use every bit of storage that they can find, every bit of storage that you can think of. Look at the window valances. This is high-end stuff. Typically what you'd find in a really expensive travel trailer. What do you usually see on units this price point? Those metal slat, terrible window shades. These are the really nice upgraded high-end window shades. Only get that with that Forest River Aurora. Actually, this unit at the super low price point comes with this TV. This is actually on a bracket here. It's magnetic, so it just clicks right on there. And again, you can take this TV outside. You don't have to bring a second TV with you. Now let's check out the bathroom here. You would think that since we use all our room up there for the queen walk around bed and all the other features up there, we wouldn't have a bathroom or wouldn't have a bathroom with as much room as this unit. But check this out. Remember when I talked about that 78-inch interior height? This is where it all comes together. This is where that 78-inch interior height comes to your benefit. Because if you had a unit that was just a couple inches shorter, my head would be touching the roof. This unit has an expansive room. It's that 78-inch interior height, which means I'm not banging my head here in the shower. And it's important for people that are usually a little bit taller than me. Works great for me in any RV, but if you're a little bit taller, you're going to be hitting your head in other units at this size because they don't have that 78-inch interior height. See how massive the shower is? It's not one of those tiny little corner showers like this. You have a lot of room here. Great shower curtain. Get a shot of this real quick. You actually have room here too for your shampoos and soaps. You have this nice molding here, and then this is removable. So if you have your kids or your pets, if you want to wash them in here, you can do that. Other brands would have one that you can't remove. So that's a really great feature. And then, believe it or not, this is something small, but usually I want to point this out if it has a big enough sink, because you can actually wash your hands under here. Right now we're all having to wash our hands a lot. So it's important to be able to wash your hands fully. In some of the other sinks I've seen, you can get a couple fingertips in there and can't get your hands washed completely. So big sink, storage underneath there, storage above. You have a medicine cabinet. It's not just a mirror on the wall. In any RV at this size and price point, they're just gonna put a mirror on the wall and glue it on and say, good enough for me, it's good enough for them. No, it's not good enough for you. You want a medicine cabinet. Check this out too. Look at all this storage back here. That is a proper linen closet. You have ample storage in there. You can stick all your towels, all your bathroom supplies. There's plenty of room around this toilet. They really have utilized every bit of room in this unit. Look up top here. You have another fan here to vent out in your bathroom, so it's not foggy in here when you're taking a shower. Great feature. Again, that's something that you can get another unit, but you're going to have to pay for it after the fact. You're going to have to buy that later with another unit because they're not going to include it. With this Forest River Aurora 18RB, everything you want is included. Absolutely everything at this super low price. Thanks for checking out the all-new Forest River Aurora, which is absolutely loaded with features. Some things that, you will not find at other units at this size and price point. That plywood floor, those aluminum rims, the 15,000 BTU AC, the power tongue jack, the enclosed underbelly. Now, if you love this unit, you have any questions about it, call the phone number below. We'd love you to stop by one of our stores and we'll give you a private tour. Thank you for watching and have a great day.